Kaylee, what are you doing?
She did this on Linwood one day for a half
the
hour.
water.
Pulled herself in and out. And I think we were the only people on the lake except a couple fishermen.
I'll be in the water.
You want me to get in the water?
Yeah, jump in it.
Should Kobe jump?
Yeah.
Oh, after these waves.
What's funny is, yeah.
Well, maybe that kid isn't that little.
Oh, it is a knee
Oh, it's a knee board.
Yeah.
Hey, Colby, you know when you're on a tube,
Yeah?
learn to shift your weight and you can go outside the lake instead of going straight behind.
Because I don't want to go outside the lake.
No, that's where the fun is. There's a big bee buzzing around you.
Oh, I missed it.
Well, we should have let it land and sting him because he said he's never been stung.
Baby, you got that bee landing on you.
It's all right. Is it a bee or a hornet?
I think it's one of those. Is it the one of those
Go
little
on,
yellow ones?
Kaylee, do you want to watch me get on the tube from the water?
Yeah.
I don't
Then
think
you'll
you
have to get out real quick, okay?
Okay. But I'll tell you about it.
You'll pull him back in, Kaylee?
Alright. I'll come here. I can help you here.
Husband, do you want to share a beer? You just got that.
Colby kind of stay and drip off a little bit in the water so you don't bring too much water.
Although I've been happy.
Whoa! That's called, okay, it's time for Daddy to have some fun.
Yeah.
You go with Mommy.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, wife, what were you asking?
Whoa. Oh, Kaylee made it in.
Alright. You ready, Kaylee? This is something that's kind of hard, actually.
Uh-oh. Colby gonna try standing up?
He says he can get on the tube from the water, right? I don't know.
Yeah.
Can you?
If somebody pulls on the rope, he might be able to. It's hard.
I've done it like once or twice before.
Yeah, it pulls up is what makes it so hard. I think the wife or something is up there.
Where's Colby? Did he disappear?
No, it's right there.
What? It's just what I was hoping. I mean, it looked like for 2 days it looked like it's going to be more.
We're hoping next week to stay in the deck, as long as it stays this nice, the boards will be nice and dry, and it's not going to be as humid, which is actually going to be way better than
This is mildly entertaining.
Come on, Colby!
It's like a fish flopping in the
Look at
water.
that. He looks like...
I said that to stay in the deck.
He did it! Did you see it?
Yeah,
I saw
pretty
it.
good.
Kaylee,
That is not easy.
did Kobe do it?
I'm getting up there regardless. I don't think I can get it without.
And then watch this, Kaylee.
Uh-oh. Is he balancing?
Yeah.
Da 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 da.
Where are the waves when you want them?
I know those waves we just had would have
They
been
might be some
awesome.
coming.
Okay.
It'll take a while to
Alright,
get
I'm
here.
gonna try to stay on here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was.
Let's see how well you can balance when these big waves hit. Or when I pull on the rope.
Kaylee. Whoa!
I did that.
You did that?
Do you think Kaylee is pulling on the rope here and not the one out there? And then he's going, Kaylee,
What the
Yes, yes, yes.
Get down.
I